Hello, it's Carl Oscar Delta, and I've recently mentioned that I'm going to be making another book to go with the books that are already there. I'm sure you're already familiar with these lot. The book itself, including the name on the mug here, Escape or Die. It's a two-part book. One part will provide the solution, and the other part will provide the problem. The problem being various types of restraint and positions as well to make it more trickier. So you can work through the book systematically, having problem solution. You'll be able to refer back to both parts, or you can go dynamic with it and you can present the problem, and then you get yourself into the situation that problem is showing you. So that could be cable ties, duct tape, handcuffs, and then you can work through it. Yep. So there will be a solution on offer. It's not going to cover as much detail as the previous book, so I advise that you sort of at least get hold of a copy of these to have a look through. Handcuffs that I'll be working with are the ones that are available on the website oscardelta.co.uk, ghostshipexports.com, and the type of handcuff will be sort of generic handcuffs. So if you have a set of generic handcuffs that work on a universal key, you're already sorted there. If not, you have this set here with the chain link. These ones are now becoming a little bit harder to get hold of. They are the Chinese newer handcuffs, also available on the site. Everything really is limited stock at the moment, and once it's gone, it's always a struggle to try and get the stuff imported again. Another set of handcuffs, which will be the high security Chinese handcuffs. So again, solutions for those. So all the stuff we'll be doing is working without a key. Using advanced escape tools and improvised escape tools, and in some cases I'll be showing you how to escape restraints with no tools as well. So next set of handcuffs will be these. These are a copy of the Russian handcuffs. There's a flat key on those ones there. Again, all these handcuffs are out there. These four are on the website. If you buy all four for £1, because I can't set the PayPal cart to 0, I'll throw in the rescue key tag. This is what I use. Put all the keys on there in the little zip up cases I've got, and then if I need to rescue, I'll just grab that, and that will have the keys for the restraints that are on there. So whilst I'm here, the fend cuff, I'm now offering it as a solo option with releasable cable ties. So there is an extended tooth. You use the fingernail and then you can release the cable tie. So I can just cinch that tight in there. When these are on, you're not really going to have access to that, so it's really for someone else to come in and release that. I'm going to go for a more of a field expedient option. I have these NATO Soldier 95 buttons, slotted buttons, and I use those to join two cable ties together. Not as good as the fend cuff, but it does reduce the X, Y, Z axis of movement. Yeah, so once they're locked in, much better than just joining two cable ties together. Again, once you've done the training with the releasable ones, then you can move on to the standard 9mm cable ties, which you're going to be using various methods to remove those, non-destructive and destructive. Yep. So all those options there, same as duct tape. Yeah, it's generic stuff. Primary restraint on the battlefield in some parts of the world now, used for other various tasks. But that's just the update. So the book will be Escape or Die, and it will challenge your skill set. It's really developed for SERE, conduct after capture instructors, and anyone else who's got an interest in removing restraints to improve the conditions in captivity and to facilitate an escape plan. So thank you for your time. Speak to you soon.